passing trestle 1 of 3. Oh wow, CP. Holy. That might be G43 2215. Holy crack. 2215. Nope. Oh, wow. That's a short freight train. And that's that abandoned building. Wow. It used to actually have a rail dock. Huh. Rail dock. Wow. Right there. You're totally fine. Oh wow, that was not there. I was doing something. Dang. Saskascana. Wow. Wow. This is everything. Yeah, dewatering tank it looks like. Oh wow. CP Lab. LAB. Wow, they're actually unloading ties. Yep. Huh. Oh, bummer. I those don't block my view. I don't see any engines yet. Oh, and there's one engine. I think that would be 115, yeah. 115 is in the diesel shop pit. Let's see if I can see. Oh, dang. 704, it looks like it's possibly 703. Up 125 and 87. 125 and 87. And 93 and 114 and 713. 706. 710. 113, 122, 106, 46, 706, 710. And it's like up, and there are the Horizon cars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Did they couple them up? Nope. Oh wow, there's 11. Huh. The Horizon fleet. Up Amtrak. And we have now arrived.